about yesterday? Because you asked how it was.
Yes.
Okay. I cook a lot and I cook myself. So cooking with a lot of people, I just want to kind of make an observation of the energy in the room. It was like very chaotic and like kind of hectic and like very like mode of passion. And I know like we're working with fire already, so I think if we can all just try to like imbibe just like a little bit more of like tranquility and like sharing and kind of like running around frantically looking for something, just like kind of asking, just like kind of just having a softer mood.
Actually, we tried to put that sound sheet on or something in the kitchen, but there's some technical problems with that. I hope it gets fixed soon. Usually we have that. So at least, like, you know,
I just want
it's
to
in control.
voice that I felt like the right voice.
Yeah, and this person, you know what's there, how to go.
How to light the stove.
How to light the stove.
Oh, that's another thing. If you hear the stove going, it's probably not a good time to light it. You know, like you hear it a little bit, but if you hear it a lot, then just
Keep it on low fire because as you saw, it's a lot of heat. That's why the vegetables are burning, especially the potatoes are in flour. And many potatoes, like maybe 75% of potatoes which I bought were raw, but not cooked. So what you are going to do today is you have to learn how to cook your potato. So you will do that sabji on your own today without the cauliflower. Just you put the sauce and add potatoes. And without burning or doing or overcooking, you need to cook them to the to the right so that it's cooked in the right way, right consistency, not overcooked or undercooked. It's cooked from the surface, but when you go inside, then it's raw. Potatoes is something which you cannot eat raw. So you don't use the cauliflower and frying. As I said, if it's steaming or boiling, there's no need. You can just use salt and pepper or just salt. Use that. But when you're frying and using a lot of ghee and Rajput cooking is like, if you are Krishna, so you want to have a balance. Like yesterday I was saying this quote Prabhupada said that cooking is not like just, it should be, cooking means that even if you don't have an appetite, it will create an appetite for even if you're not hungry. It's not just mixing up some masalas and ghee. So it's a great art at each step when you're doing the mixing or the chops. You have to be very careful what you're doing and really focus on what is being done and how much to go for the. And I know some are getting late, so that's why the potatoes were not cooked probably or whatever. And even the spinach sabji, the tomato puree, the tomato is already cooked. But in some of the spinach sabji, I saw the water was separate and spinach. So you need to cook the tomatoes until it's thick. The water is evaporated because you were seeing water was running on the sides of the spinach, so that's not very a good way. When you're serving, it should be as a whole. You take it in the layer. And dal was fine. And some of the rice were mushy. Maybe they cook a little bit more. That's why when you are doing this boiled rice, you have control over the rice. How much ever you want it to be like mushy or it should be separate. It's nice that if the rice is separate, not like mushy. Okay. And today we are going to do another kind of rice, steamed rice. Like where how much ever rice you take, you just take, with this kind of rice, you take little less than double water. Like if you take 1 cup of rice, then you take 1 3/4 cup of water. But if you're using basmati rice, then you use 2 cups of water. So that's steamed rice. So in that, actually, you don't have much control because you will see that today. I'll show you how to do steamed rice. You can use any of your rice in your assessment for just you to know that there are different kinds of rice to can be done. The rice which we did yesterday, it's very easy when you're cooking for like bigger crowd. Because then what happens, it's very difficult to measure when you're cooking like 250 people, or like 1 cup. For every 1 cup, you put 2 cups of water. And also, because the problem with the steamed rice is, when you're cooking like a big lot of steamed rice, the rice from down it gets mushy, and on the top it's separate. So it's not the same. Because when you have like this big pot of rice, then they are not the same. So it's a little difficult. So this straining of this rice, boiled rice is you get all the grains are cooked to the same level. Boiled rice, what we did yesterday. In Radha Madhav's kitchen, for Rajbhog, they do this boiled rice.
When you strain and all the water comes out, do you lose nutrients?
Yes. And there's a lot of starch in that, and yeah, that's how they use in the DD kitchen here. But in the Gurukul, they always use steamed rice.
Are we going to have the same rice for assessment? Because this rice cooks a little too early, like it's difficult to get it.
If you want basmati, we can get them, but it's a little more expensive. Another thing I want to say is on this rice.
Я слышала, что Кришна не ест острое, но вот Джаганнатха Пури Махапрасад вообще не острый. Вот вопрос у меня возник. Насчет чили.
Krishna doesn't eat the spicy food. For example, in Jagannath,
Именно острый. Чили.
the prasadam is not spicy and they don't use the chili. So what is the reason why they're using chili?
Because they are not much frying there. They're not frying so much if you eat any of the salads.
In Vrindavan, Krishna uses spicy food.
It actually, Vrindavan Restaurant does have no chili.
In Krishna Balaram
Yeah.
temple, but the other temples, local temples,
Oh, okay.
It's actually the red chili. They don't use the red chili. They don't use the red chili. It's a more of passion. The red chili. Here they use green chili. What they use there in Mayapur, that's what we are doing. And they don't put cream in Jagannath Puri's prasad. And there's no potatoes. No potatoes, no tomatoes, no cauliflower, no broccoli. And those vegetables which you get there, you won't get here. Everywhere in all the parts of India.
Иногда некоторые повара очень строго относятся к тому, чтобы волосы были закрыты, особенно у женщин, иначе если волос попадет в хогу, то Кришна не примет это в отношение. Вот является ли это стандартом здесь в Майпуре или не является таким?
In some temple kitchen, there is a standard that ladies should cover their head. Otherwise, if the hair will go down to the body, it's not possible. So, what about here? Does they have the same standard here?
Here in the Radha Madhav kitchen? Yeah, some do. There's mostly men cooking here. That's not really.
А здесь на кухне у нас нет такого.
What about our kitchen?
Yeah, someone you also asked, and I said, yeah, we don't have scarves here. But if you yes, we do. Yeah, you need to have your fingernails cut because you will be making dough and other things, so it should be all neat. And we have few aprons, so if you wanted to use, you can use aprons. And by the end of the cooking, you wash them and line them down in those racks. You can wash them. And the towels, which we have given, you can use okay, and the prasadam offering time, what we can aim at realistic time is 2:15, because actually it's like 2 times cooking. Like I show you and then you do it. So it takes time. So we are making a realistic target that we do the offering at 2:15 and by 2:30 we will serve the prasad. Okay. And the groups which were here yesterday serving and cleaning this room, they will be in kitchen today, and the other group which was in the kitchen, they will be here. And when you're serving, so the group which is going to be serving, yesterday we did half of the thing because it was a project. You need to line the mats, place the leaf plates and the cups with water and that. And first the water goes, and then I'll tell you the order maybe in 2 days when you cover most of the subjects, so you know which serve first and then. Usually the first is like rice and savories and dal and the dry sabjis, then the wet sabji and the paneer sabji goes again, then the chutney and the sweets. I'll give you a document sequence of how to serve, because you haven't done many sabjis, so you don't understand that now. So maybe by the end of the week I'll give you so you can. And those, yeah. Prasad. And you, in your group, you can make sure who's going to go first, like who is going to be serving the water and rice and dal. And when rice goes, dal, the devotee is waiting for 5 minutes, and you're deciding among yourselves who's going to be next. So it has to be done before it's decided. Okay, after this, and usually the staff and the teachers just sit around here. So wherever they sit, start from that side. Like yesterday the serving was good, you come like 2 times and ask, and in the end you can again ask, or you should ask if they need anything more.
So unless someone has rice and dal on their plate, don't put a sabji?
Unless they don't want rice.
Yeah. But don't start off with a sabji. Even if you're the subject carrier, don't go there.
No, it's like, you first put water, and in Bengal we put salt, lemon and chili. So if you want to do the salt, maybe for assessment we can do when we'll have many of the local pujaris come, so they want to be served that way. We can have lemon and chili, but I will start with water and the savory rice, dal, and the dry sabji. Because if you serve the dry sabji later, then that's how the sequence is in the Bengali style. In India, each culture has a different style of cooking and a different sequential order of serving. Like South Indian, they have a different way, and Gujarati, they have a different way. So we are in Bengal and we are learning here Bengali style. So I'll give you the document on Friday or tomorrow. That's it. And those who are cleaning the room number 4, they need to clean the buckets, the serving buckets, after they are served, and we make sure some prasadam is yesterday and something was left. We'll ask if after the prasadam is left, and if you wanted to take home, after everyone has prasadam, you can take home. Or we ask from the working ladies here, like yesterday they came and they took. Then you clean the pots and clean the kitchen. And yesterday I saw they were throwing the trash there. You need to go down, like 2 of you, and throw the trash. And the grocery table, the table just beside the door, you need to make that sure that that's clean. Whoever is cleaning the kitchen, whichever group is kitchen. Okay. And it's individual group's responsibility to keep their stove tops and their pots clean after the cooking. So just you clean while you're cooking, so in the end there is not a pile of a pot sitting in your sink. Because as I said yesterday, there are only 4 sinks and you are like 7 groups. So if someone saying pots they're in the sink and saying it's not my pot, and it's like a lot of confusion. So to avoid that, just immediately wash it. Okay? And keep the knife and the peelers with you on your table, and the kitchen towels, which were given 2 towels. And the knives are very sharp. So I know yesterday 2 people cut their finger, and now we got some band-aids. But just be very careful because Swiss knives are the most sharpest knife in the world. So we got the knife from Switzerland. Okay. So today, you know who's going to be serving here and who is in the room number 4. Okay. And who's going to do the burg offering. Each day we'll have one devotee do the burg offering. Yesterday Radha did. Who's going to do the burg offering today? Okay, so the burg offering plate, you put it there, Radha. In that room is the brass plate with the cups, and so you take the water cup, you can take the water from the filter there, and tulsi leaves you need to go down and pick some tulsi leaves for offering, and then you do the offering. Okay? And those whoever are serving, they need to line the buckets like yesterday I did show, and you put everyone's whatever you have cooked, you can put in the bucket. And also add to that, because like now there's 7 groups and cooking 7, the same thing, but the taste is going to be different. For you to know like how you cooked, you can keep little bit with you, paper cup. After the offering, you can taste and see like your salt was okay, spices or something. Because we can't serve the individual, it's very difficult. So we need to mix it. There's no other way. But for you to taste, you can keep like a spoonful, just 1 spoon of whatever preparations you have done. So in the end of the day, so you can taste and see what was less. Or you can ask me, I can tell you that this was okay or not. So at least you are getting prepared for your lesson. Because this is a learning process. So we want to learn it in the right way. That's the what do I say? Is the aim of this class. It's not like we want to enjoy what we do, just for us to know that if it was right or wrong or what better it could be.
Можно спросить? Я слышала, что когда ты готовишь какое-то блюдо первый раз, что разрешается пробовать, насколько это правда. Когда ты первый раз первое блюдо пробуешь, тебе надо подавать, что ты можешь попробовать чуть-чуть до положения. Да. Да.
Martin, she said that she told that if you're cooking something the first time,
Something first time?
that you all over the place.
Well, you remember Bhai said that some people do that.
It depends on the temple that you're in, but actually, when you're in the leading kitchen, you should be expert so that you don't have issues.
That's why you are all here in this training program. So when you go back to your temple and centers, there's no need for you to taste before you offer. Okay? We don't practice on Krishna. Okay? That's why it is practice school. You don't practice dressing on backing of Krishna. That's why these models are there. And that Abhishek did on the festival. They're not worshipped deities every day, but we taught you the exact procedure, how it's done in the temple. So now you learn the way, and then when you go back to the temple, you do it. So that's why this school is for you to train.
I just want to add to that about smelling. So just about some smelling. That's normally not done when you're cooking.
Yeah, smelling like yesterday I did for you to know how the garam masala smells. So I gave a little bit in your hand, but then I didn't put it back in the.
It wasn't all there.
Yeah. Okay, just this 1 spoonful for you to see that how it smells. So, and the other part we are using it.
I have a quick question. What are what do you do when the dal comes out like water and dal like kind of separate, like the consistency isn't creamy, you know? Like it's kind of
Water should be less. If
Less
if the water is on top and the dal is like on the bottom sitting, that means the water is more.
too much water.
Yeah.
So then what, cook it more? Or you just add
Either you cook it more or you add little water. And each dal, they are like little different. You know, how you say? Like each time you buy is different, so they vary in consistency. Some take little less water, some take more,
So start with less water and just add
but not
a little.
very less. Otherwise, it will burn. You will see. Like today, we are going to do another one dal, not the moong dal. We do the tur dal. There are different kinds of dal. I'll show you the same thing. You boil that with turmeric and salt, and then in the end put the chaws. But today we are going to do a different kind of chaws. Not like yesterday we did what, cumin and ghee and ginger. So today we'll use mustard seeds and cumin also. Okay? So and the flavor is different. And we'll use little tomatoes in the dal. You can always use. But I'm just showing you gradual, so get along. Let me see the simple ones too. You can add a lot of things. Some Bengalis, they add many kinds of vegetables in the dal. And coconut. Okay. And now, yesterday the potato cauliflower sabji which we did, we added the spices when?
Before.
Okay, what did we add in the first? Ghee, cumin,
Jeera powder.
ginger paste, ghee, and then we add the potatoes. Okay, and then we put the turmeric after a little bit, and then we put cumin powder. So there are different stages at which you can add the ground spicing. So one spicing we did the whole spices we added, which is the whole spice. Cumin is the whole spice, so that we added in the chaws. And ginger, coriander leaves, chilies, they are like wet spices. They're wet spice. So that also we added in the chaws. And the cumin powder, turmeric powder, they are dry spices that we added while we were cooking. While we were cooking the potatoes, that's when we added it. And what happens when we add the spices while we are cooking? It gives a fullness and roundness to the preparation. Like salt. Salt is not added in chaws. You understand? Like salt gives fullness to the dish. If there's no salt, how much of a good spice you use, it feels empty. So the same, like when you put coriander powder, salt, or anything while you're cooking, like the dal or the vegetables or anything, it gives fullness. And the garam masala that we added in the end. And why we added in the end? Because when you smelled yesterday, the garam masala, it has a very, very nice flavor. So it is lost when it is cooking. When it's cooked in the heat, the flavor is lost. That's why we add it towards the end, to keep the flavor intact. Is that making sense to everyone? So we don't add salt in the chaws. We add salt to give fullness and roundness to the dish. And many ask that there's no ghee in the rice. You can add, but because the water is going to be drained, so ghee is not required. Afterwards, and like today we do steamed rice, you can add a dab of ghee in that because the water is not going to be drained. Today what we will be doing is steamed rice, where we do the exact measurement for the water to rice ratio. In that you can add ghee. Then because you're not going to strain the water, so the ghee is in there. And also it said, like Indian culture, usually the ghee for the rice is added after the ghee is cooked, just before you are serving. After the rice is cooked when you're serving, because that's when it's said that it's rice gets purified when you add the ghee. So even in many Vaishnava traditions in South India, and even in Bengal, everywhere, the rice after it's cooked, when it is served, like when you're serving, making the burger plate, that's when you add that ghee on the rice. So it purifies the rice. And in many traditions, they just add, a few drops of ghee in all preparations. So it actually purifies the preparation. It's easy. So there's no need to add ghee while you're cooking the rice. But if you want to, you can do when you're making the steamed rice, not like what we did yesterday, because the water is going to be great. And today we are going to do tur dal and the steamed rice and chapatis and pumpkin sabji. And in that pumpkin sabji, we are going to make a paste of cumin and ginger, cumin powder and ginger paste, fresh ginger paste. And we are going to fry it in ghee, like a little bit. So this in Bengal, they call it koshano. It's a paste. And this is koshano. Yeah, I mean, even anything else.
Anything that's made into liquid paste.
Anything that is made in liquid paste, that's for koshano, and that's like roasted it's a thick paste. Just add water. So they need a little bit more roasting, and that's what we are going to do today, the pumpkin sabji. And sometimes we do add turmeric in hot ghee, but turmeric is a very milder spice. If you cook too long in the hot ghee, it will get bitter and it gets black. Turmeric or sugar, sometimes we add it in ghee to little caramelize it. Sometimes in the dal we put. So these are very light spices. Yogurt. So we don't roast them a long time. We don't heat them. Usually yogurt is better you add towards the end of the cooking, and then you don't heat that again. Okay. That's why turmeric usually is added while you're cooking. So it gives like. Okay, I think what other sabji are doing? Eggplant and paneer. That's what spice you're doing?
The same one from extra things.
Coriander powder? No. And she will show an eggplant and paneer sabji. So that's. I'm just introducing the chapatis in the second day itself, so that it needs little practice. So over the week, whoever feels they need more practice, every day you can make a little bit dough, and you can make like 5 or 6 chapatis. So by the end of the next week, you're ready for your assessment. You have practice. Okay. So we'll go to the kitchen, and again put your names on the recipe sheet. Is there in that room? I'll give you, so that it's not lost. Okay. The